So check it out. Sick and tired, Daniel was saying. Sick and tired of being sick and tired. Okay, well look, we're on a mission right now. We have this going on. We have blinders on. Okay, it's not about selling you another course. It's not about getting you to join another company, another program, another thing, another deal. All right, it's about this with the right people. Okay, if you see yourself fit into with the vision that we're putting out there into the marketplace right now, we want to take the people. If that's what you want, but we wanted to shift the landscape in a little bit. Do what we can. Okay, we're not able to change the entire world, but we can impact and influence people that we serve. Okay, and so our vision is, what can we do to help affiliate marketers, people who promote other people's products, network marketers, people who promote and build teams, direct salespeople, to really help them get this thing called results. Okay, not necessarily information, more information. There's plenty of information out there. You need information. Don't get me wrong. I'm not gonna say that you don't have to do anything, just hit the button, become rich. That's a lie. Okay, anybody who tells you that, they're lying to you. But you need the right kind of information. Okay, and with the right kind of information, even first and foremost, man, is you need to get results. Okay, why do most people fail? Is because this guy, he just joined, right? And I don't know if you can see yourself here or not, but he just joined, okay? And he's got this one income flow coming in. Maybe this is a network marketing company that he's promoting a product with. Maybe it's somebody else's product that he's trying to promote. Maybe it's his own deal that he just put out there, but he's scared. He's never done this before. He tried all these different things before, okay? Maybe he tried this. I'm gonna represent it with dotted line. Maybe he tried this, and none of these things worked for him, right? So he's like failed, and he has a track record of failure, okay, no results, and his skeptical spouse is like, is that another thing you're gonna try, right? What is that doing to his self-confidence, right? His self-confidence is going down. Do you think he will do what needs to be done to make this work? Okay, absolutely not. And he's got pressures from home, from spouse, from bills piling up, from car payments and house payments, and information from all these different marketers out there on the internet. What this guy needs, man, is he doesn't need more information. He's got enough. He's got plenty. He needs to cut down on the information. He needs to get the right kind of information, because he's focusing on the 98% of stuff that maybe produce 2% of the results. He needs to flip that around, focus on the handful of key elements and key activities that are going to produce 98% of the results, okay? And that's exactly what we're gonna talk about today. At the end of the day, he needs to get results. As soon as I can get him, okay, if I can help him realistically, truthfully, honestly, genuinely, okay, help this guy, even with this income stream, help him generate, I don't know, $100, okay? How many of you would be thrilled to see your first $100 earnings as a result of promoting a real product, not pie in the sky, not like, selling air or anything, right? Not like an opportunity to where you're just tricking people into buying the same thing that you just bought, and so you can promote. There is no value, there is no product. People just selling compensation, right? But a real product or a service, and you right, you got paid your first $100, and you knew how you done it, so you can do it again. But most importantly, what if that could lead to, maybe $200 here? Maybe this is going to pay you $3,000 a month, okay? Maybe this income stream is going to pay you $4,800, a pop, okay, per sale. Maybe this income is going to pay you, I don't know, $20 a month, okay? And you have all these different things going around, and it's like a well-oiled machine, right? It's what I call the ecosystem of marketing and sales, and you don't have to do any of these sales. Would that be awesome? Okay, tell me. That'd be awesome, right? So this is the vision, you guys. This is what we're trying to do here in the industry with the 4% group, and I'm going to tell you how that came about. Okay, so real quick,